Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to trim your triangles for the Izot quilt pattern. So we have these two sizes, that we have the 2.5 and the 6.5. And our first step is we're just gonna flip it over, and then we're just gonna line up with the square. Let me just move it right here actually. Just line it up as best you can. I'm getting stuck. And then just give that a trim, flip it. We're gonna give it a trim on this side. And then it should just look like that. And then you're gonna open it up right here, and you're gonna fold this piece back, and then just trim off that underneath little triangle right at, oops, I missed, right at where you have your, like your original seam allowance. So then it should just be that, and that should come back and be your 2.5 inch triangle, including your new additional point. So that's that first piece. You would do the same thing on this one. It's just the bigger size. So you're gonna take trim, come back here, and then trim this big one right here. Okay, so I've already trimmed, and then I've gone back to my sewing machine on this one, and I've added the second piece. So you can see under here, I've already trimmed that, and I've sewn my second point on here. So if you're seeing this, this is your 2 points. This is your background color. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna trim the second one. So let's go here and just do the same thing. Line it up. Take that off. Take that one off, and then look how cute it is. There you go. But then we gotta just trim this other piece so we don't have double fabric. We don't want that double under there. And then just go right there, take a trim, and now that is ready to be added in to your grid of 9 blocks to make your bigger triangles. And that's it. So just do the same thing on all of them. Trimming off the sides on the back, flip it over, do it, and you're good to go.